So I upgraded my work suitcase and I chose the Beis carry-on in 26 inches. It does have a limited lifetime warranty, and that's one of the things that attracted me to the bag. I did get the gray color. It has a few other colors, and it's $198 regularly, but I got it on sale during the Black Friday sale. So it does have that extension tab in the front where you can add another bag. It also expands. Some carry-ons don't have that option. It has a cushion trolley handle and two handles, one on the top and on the side. It has the TSA lock and 360 wheels. So on the inside, this side is the compression side, and this little flap right here, it has two pockets, one on each side, and you are able, it's detachable, you can take it out, and I usually put my personal laptop in here when I'm bringing it with me. So the material that this bag is made out of is supposed to be stain resistant, and inside of this compartment, it has another little pouch on the inside. So in the next section, I like to put like my toiletries and shoes and just any extra things like my chargers and the locks that I put on the hotel doors. It does come with two bags. I use one for shoes, and then I use the other one as a laundry bag. And this compartment just, other than those two pockets on the front, it opens up to just a deep pocket, like a standard carry-on, but I'm loving this bag so far.